everyone, welcome to Hair Info channel, and in this video we will introduce to you the top 10 biggest pharma companies in India. Like I said in the last video, the pharmaceutical sector represents a huge industry, with the global pharmaceutical market being worth nearly $1 trillion. And India is the largest provider of generic drugs worldwide. Pharmaceutical firms in India provide over 50% of global demand for vaccines, 40% of generic demand in the US, and 25% of all medicine in only the UK. On the global level, India ranks third in terms of pharmaceutical production by value and 14th by value. So in this video, let's see which names have the biggest impact on the pharmaceutical industry in this country. First and foremost, that is Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Ltd, the biggest company in pharmaceutical area in India, with a market value of around 224,686 crores. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Ltd was founded in 1983 by Dilip Shanghvi. In 2021, it was recognized as the Best Innovative Company of the Year at Indo-American Corporate Excellence Awards. According to the financial report, Sun Pharmaceutical Industry made revenue of 331.39 billion Indian rupee, approximately $1.3 billion in 2021. The key segments that the company is targeting are dermatology, ophthalmology, and oncology. Pharyngocept, the medication used for sore throat, or Revitol, which contains multivitamins, and Volini, a topical analgesic, are few of Sun Pharma flagship OTC brands. Divi Laboratories Ltd, an Indian pharmaceutical company headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana, India. Established in the 1990s, Divi is a leading manufacturer of active pharmaceutical ingredients to over 95 countries. Now, the company has a market valuation around 119,457 crores. Divi Labs now is the manufacturer of about 25 generic medicines. From antidepressant, anti-neoplastic, anti-Parkinson, anti-hypersensitive, antitussive, to even anti-malarial drugs. Generic medicines will contain active ingredients like naproxen, gabapentin, and dextromethorphan are the most important products of Divi. Cipla Limited, the multinational company attached to the name Khwaja Abdul Hamid, is the third largest pharmaceutical company in India in terms of market value. Cipla Ltd. was founded in the first half of the 20th century and was renamed to Cipla Ltd. in 1984. As of April 2022, Cipla Ltd. has a market cap of 81,997 crores, and the company's 2020 revenue is $2.3 billion. Cipla now is offering many therapeutic treatments for respiratory disease, AIDS, and oncological disorders. Cipla has more than 150 brands. Here I can list some antihistamines produced by Cipla like New Orcacet, Algigen, Oxivir, Steroflor. Only 10,000 crores lower than Cipla Ltd. in market capitalization, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories ranked fourth in this league. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories was founded in 1984 and renamed after Reddy family. The company went through a fast growth to reach a revenue of 17,460 crores, approximately $2.3 billion. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories' current market valuation falls to about 71,527 crores. The major therapeutic areas of gastrointestinal ailments, cardiovascular disease, pain management, oncology, anti-infective, pediatrics, and dermatology are therapeutic focus areas of Dr. Reddy's lab. Omad, Nice, Keraton, Stemlo, Razor are brands that cannot help but mention when we talk about Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. The last name in the top 5 largest pharmaceutical companies in India is Apollo Hospital Enterprises Ltd. It was founded in Chennai 39 years ago by an Indian entrepreneur and cardiologist Pratap C. Reddy. Apollo Hospital Enterprise has a market value of about 68,208 crores. Apollo Hospital Enterprise has growing portfolio of medicines, including treatments in the areas of cardiology, orthopedics, spine, neurology, oncology, gastroenterology, pulmonology, dermatology, and pediatric healthcare. The next position belongs to a very famous corporation, Piramal Enterprises Ltd. Not only having a presence in financial service and real estate sector, Piramal Enterprises is also leading in healthcare, life science, drug discovery area. The company valuation now is about 54,458 crores. The company has a diversified medication portfolio from generic medicine to nutrient, solution and especially antibody-drug conjugation. Naturalized A orange flavor powder. I know three active quicken are the most popular brands that belong to Piramal. Another name in the pharmaceutical market is Gland Pharma Ltd, ranking in seventh place with an approximation of the value of Piramal Enterprises 52,575 crores. It is headquartered in Hyderabad, India. Setting up in 1978, Gland Pharma Ltd determined itself to become one of the largest and fastest-growing injectable-focused companies. Like other pharmaceutical companies in India, Gland Pharma Ltd also allocates most of their resources and facilities to develop technology and production workflows for active pharmaceutical ingredients. Key molecules of Gland Pharma include heparin sodium injection, enoxaparin sodium injection, rocuronium bromide injection, daptomycin injection, and among others. Besides, they are present in various therapeutic categories that include anti-infectives, anesthetics, anticoagulants, and the antidotes, anti-malarial, cardiology, and more to hormone and related drugs, fertility supplements, and GnRH agonists and antagonists. Continue to check the next name in the list, Torrent Pharmaceuticals Ltd at Ahmedabad, India. The company was founded nearly 70 years ago, and now it became one of the largest firms in the pharmaceutical area with 80.6 billion Indian rupee of revenue in 2020. Torrent Pharmaceuticals Ltd is ranked amongst the leaders in therapeutic segment area of cardiovascular, central nervous system, gastrointestinal, and women's health care. It is also witnessed to have a significant presence in diabetology, pain management, gynecology, oncology, and anti-infective segment. Torrent's top-performing drugs are Cellcore, Aspro, and Chemorofort. With a market cap of 42,111 crores, Biocon Limited, an Indian biopharmaceutical company that is based in Bangalore, India, ranked ninth in the top 10 biggest pharma companies in this nation. Biocon Limited was formed in 1978, and in 2021 its sales achieved the milestone of 7,360.30 crores. Biocon now focusing on discovering and advancing new treatments for diabetes, oncology, and immunology. Biocon Ltd is the manufacturer of drugs like insulin, Hazaloc, Biomass, Bristol, Carmap, Evother, Tacrograph, Aluzumab, Crabeva. For the last position of top 10, we continue to welcome Alkem Laboratories. This company was voted to be India's best workplace in biotechnology and pharmaceutical industry for the second consecutive years in 2021. As of April 2022, it has a market cap of 40,847 crores. The company was officially founded 50 years ago in 1973, and it was not a large chance of time. Alkem Laboratories manufactures prescription pharmaceuticals and OTC medicines in several therapeutic areas, including anti-infective, gastroenterology, pain relief and analgesic, anti-diabetic, cardiology, dermatology, neurology or central nervous system (CNS), and vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Elytras brands like Clavam, Pan, Pandi, and Tassimo will feature amongst top 50 pharmaceutical brands in India. And that's all information about the top 10 biggest pharmaceutical companies in India. Thank you for listening, and like, share, and subscribe for her info channel if you like this video. Thank you so much.